thinking of some kind of good plan. Maybe first just duck it out of the sucking sucker. That's my saving, like brick saving spot, like if I need any kind of piece, then I'll see out over there also if I can find it. Like that's my trick. So it's like more easy to find pieces. Yep, I see it. Well, there's nothing to be worried with. That won't work on these bricks crazy out here. Yup, just found 2, but oh, hey, 3. I've got 3. I have got my ultimate brick I want. Dude, it's literally the spinning brick. I forgot I had that piece, but yeah, that's gonna be the whole time with me. Cause I like that piece. I don't want that to be lost. I don't, yeah, whatever. Yeah, this is okay. That's not okay. That's not okay. So I've got you guys some pieces. You know what? Where's my brick separator? Serious? No. Just a little bit and done. Oh yeah, that one was easy. I guess. Oops, titties, oops, there's. That one was easy, mother. Dude, it has been already 3 minutes 31 seconds. Seriously. Oh my gosh. I finally got my 2 bricks, 3D bricks, that I'll need. Actually not bricks, but I think now I do get the problem that just exactly happened with the examining time. You guys have seen it falling apart, but now I get it. Hey, isn't gonna hurt me. I'll need you to move again. Let's just keep it like that. It doesn't fall. The more better it is if it does it. Oh my gosh, he got stairs. He got stairs. I see it. It's gonna be hard. I am trying to make it's like so brutal making this thing right now. Yeah, let's just try like this. Boom, yeah, boom, clack, la, da, da, da. Yeah, and guys, I'll have it up there. I'll have some little pieces of Lego. Yeah, you don't have these pieces though. Well, let's get our work on everything but before that, first of all, we need is a captain. And it might be true. I'm the owner of this thing. So I just act like I'm Steve with this. But so this thing is gonna be riding. And yeah, I'm gonna use the legal technique. So all I take is this piece. If you guys can see, I can take you guys for another little look. You know what? Come out here, baby. Now, guys, I think you will be able to watch the video more better. So, yeah. Let's get our work into it. Everything. Hopefully there is no mosquitoes on the camera. Yes, there isn't. Yeah, ouch. Now all I do is tuck this piece in this spot, take two of his legs, stick it out there, perfect. Yeah, blah blah blah. There, right, steady, right. Thursday? Yeah, whatever. Well, ouch. That hurt. I will need a steering wheel for a thing. So, yeah. I'm just gonna search for the piece that I'm gonna. You know what? That piece that I need might be in this spot. I am thinking of it should recording. Just wait for a sec. Yup, I just made it. It's just the steering wheel, as you guys can, if you guys cannot see, okay? That's the steering wheel, if you guys can actually see it clearly. So that's just the steering wheel. That's the button. When you press it, it will just like, yeah, it will go crazy on, like, not crazy, that kind of thing that I mean, like, what do I say? Yeah, it's just brake. It's just brake. Yeah, the boat will start not to move here. Guys, think I hit it again, but whatever. No wasted time. Just seriously, no. What the just in the spot as I was doing. Seriously. That's still okay. Because now, yes, let's do it. I'm gonna make this as tall. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the bigger. Well, yeah, you guys can see, I can definitely see that you guys are seeing it. No more accidents or anything, okay? Should I like craft it by this? No, stating times there's this. It's gonna take me forever. Is this how it's going to be? Yep. Okay, guys, you guys will have to wait. Guys, yes, the wall is done, baby. Like, look at the minifig sitting out there. Crazy, isn't it? Well, yeah, the wall is done out here. I've also just have a little window still out also here. A little bit of wall out here out my camera. And also a little bit wall off here. So guys, I'm gonna show the rest of the thing again to you. So let's make the bricks again. Like I meant it like by the walls, but so let's, yeah. If you guys are feeling strange, yes, that's correct. When I was literally setting up the camera, yes, the magic happened. Yup, it fell and then broke this thing, so I just rebuilt it again. It took me like a few seconds, yeah, and safe to send. Yeah, that's me, the owner of the ship. Well, yeah, let's get started on the bricks now. Okay. The more you guys actually concentrate to Lego, the more fast you guys can actually build. So yeah, that's why I'm really concentrated and I'm making it fast. So this playful thing is just like, yeah, concentration game. It's really important by concentration in Lego. Well, how many? Okay, you guys can go while I do the rest of the things and I will guys show it to you again. So boom, 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 boom. Oh, oh, oh. I want to crash. Hey, why are you guys calling decline? Okay, I'm just gonna go. Guys, look, it's a little bit done out there. Whatever, but so, guys, see, that's the forging owner. That's me. Because I own this Lego, whatever. So, yeah, he's watching TV. And that's just a yellow screen. But perfectly, as I can say, it's going great. Well, guys, I'll see you after this part is done. Oh my gosh, guys, it's looking crazy already. Well, yeah, it's the whole interior. So yeah, I told you guys I'm gonna see you again when this part's gonna be done. Well, yeah, it's done. Took me a lot of time. Look at that little precious baby. Okay, whatever, but yeah, that's the door. Let me guys just show you the entrance. Yeah, a little bloom to data. Yeah, now you guys can see clearly. That's the spot. Well, now let's get it on the other door. Yeah, I just added that for no reason, but yeah, the other door is just the same thing what you see. It's just a ladder. Some things out there. Just had to make it some designs. Yep. Can't forget that. And that. And oh yeah, guys, this is an material working design specialist Nafaka Namakata computer. That's the guy that's working on it. And that's just a little normal bed. And guys, I'm sure I'm not gonna be able to do this thing. Like, I might give up on this video this day, but Not gonna give up on myself and my fans, right? So guys, let's take the jump into it. And yep, it's going crazy. It's the time I started this video literally was like 3 or 4 or 5 or like that thing. I am sure it was 5. So then when I was about to eat, I thought I didn't have to tell you guys that I'm gonna eat. Well, so yes, I thought, I should not eat because I'm on a work, I'm busy. Yes, it's really busy. Well, yep, that's all it. And then my teacher came, then I ate, and then wrote. And now, the current time on Bangladesh right now is literally 10:30. And I'm still working on it, guys. So you guys should subscribe. I also have this brain attack, just having headaches every time when my brain is not at rest, but I'm still doing it. That brainstorm is still in my head, but I'm still gonna do it, so you guys should subscribe. And yep, I am out this time. I'm gonna see you with that part exactly. Now from all this, you guys are gonna see the whole thing that happened. So sharp on your phone and hey, no, make it, Ogni's World, make it, hit 10 million subscribers. Yes, it did. Whatever. See you guys in the next part. I just told the horse. See you guys like that. Whole thing that I'm gonna be done with. So, bye bye, sayonara. Guys, what's up? It's the second day. It's another intro, and we're getting started into it. Yes, and it's true. I wasn't able to finish it, so I gave up yesterday. So I thought I can work that thing tomorrow as well. So yeah, I just came, and it does look almost finished, but the thing is that there isn't that many bricks left, so I'm just gonna have to make bricks with these plates, which is really extraordinary. And yes, let's go and start this journey. And yes, I'm sorry I can't go to the table because my brother is reading, so It's hard to show everything that I'm gonna build, but I'm sure I can. By the thing that I have in this spot, I'm sure I can show it to you guys by what I exactly actually built. And yes, let's get our journey started into this much. And ain't gonna lie, this whole thing is gonna be actually done today. I'm sorry for every wait I told you guys to, but I'm really sorry. I had to do it. So yeah, let's get started on it. Okay guys, I think it's this much is like, isn't it good for you guys seeing it? I'm sure it's good for you to see it. Like that much is right. Oh, maybe? No, hell no. Okay, let's just keep it like that so I can show it to you guys what I built. So, yep, no, I'm actually gonna keep it at normal. So, you guys just watch what I do. I'm sure you guys can see it. And that's right what I saw. You guys can see me just building the boat. You know what? It's gonna take a long time. So I think you guys should wait and everything will be done. If you guys wait, it's more better. You guys will not have to wait for the best part that's gonna come. So the things that's gonna happen when I'm actually gonna be done with this part, you guys are gonna see, and then this is the part you guys are gonna be the most interest of, because this is the part where I'm literally gonna give a literal, like you guys know the shutai, just a rope, and then stuck it with another piece of like this, and then I will just band it in with a minifigure that I have, and since it doesn't know how to swim, it will swim just by that. That's the thing. And guys, don't forget, at last, I'm literally gonna try this out in my bathroom in the tub, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go get started on this. You guys wait. You guys are actually not gonna be waiting, but yeah, it's just gonna come. Guys! Literally, I was building this while you guys were off, and I literally built this piece. It's literally the biggest piece I've built in my life. So yeah, you guys just wait and I will go. As I told you guys, yup. It's done. No, it's actually not done, but yeah. I told you guys I'm gonna see you when that part is done. Yeah, it's done. Let me guys just show you. So for the ceiling, I just used those. I just gave that for some design. That's just a hot air balloon giving out air. So like boom it, like it can go down, and then with this it can go down to boom so fast. Like with this, you know, that's just when it goes so fast. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's just the I think that's whatever. Yeah, you guys know. And then can't forget. Yeah, it's just the door, but that's true. I don't have that many more doors that I could stack. Yes, I have doors, but yes, I have this door, but I don't Like I don't have any more of the things like to make it move. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. And now this is where it gets interesting, because yeah, you guys, I'm really sorry for that, what I told you guys about the false things. Yeah, the thing that I told was false. Yep. I don't think I can make it like the minifig that I told you earlier about. I can't do it because I literally just built it. So it's gonna be hard. So I don't think I should like break it and just boom it over. Well, guys, thing is that I really put in a lot of effort in this thing. So, guys, please like subscribe, please. Like it took. I am still doing it, and it's the second day. I'm still. Why would I give up on my fans? Why? And you guys haven't even subscribed. The much subscriber I have is not that much at all. Makes me cry. You guys don't subscribe. It's just like the most effort that I can give in my YouTube. I don't know how to edit, and you guys just make it worse. You guys like don't even watch it. I just make long videos for the whole time, and you guys don't watch it. It for real makes me cry. Okay, you guys can go now. Phew, guys. Yup. The boat is final done. So yeah, it took me 2 days to build this. Ooh. Oh. And yeah, it's the time I tried this on water. So yeah. You guys wait here. Holy fudge, guys. Seriously, I had to do this. Look at that. It's literally upside down, but none of the pieces have broke. It just keeps to be. Does it mean this part is more heavier than that? You gotta be kidding me. And then let's see if this actually is not heavy for this. Yeah, it just falls like that. I thought it's gonna like boom, da da da. Yep. Just as I was not expecting to happen. Well, the most thing that I am happy about is it's just it didn't break any of the piece. I tried my best. Well, this thing is extraordinarily very good. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Dude, ain't gonna lie. The way it is in the water is so cool. Look at Steve. It's also good because the pieces are also getting wet. It's making it be clean. Okay guys, thank you for watching this whole video. I think this video was a whole hour, but mine was 48 hours. So guys, thank you for watching. I just took up the milk, so well, whatever. Thank you guys for watching and see you on to the next video.